consider the value of IDSS 8 milliampere, VP is -4. You know now how to draw the transfer characteristics curve. And for ID is equal to, we need to take 2 points. So what we can do, ID is equal to IDSS by 4, which will give you 2 milliampere, and for that value your VGS will be VP by 2, that will be -4 by 2, you will get -2 volts. This is how you are getting these 2 points, right? Now you know VG is R2 upon R1 plus R2 into VDD. This we are solving by method 2, graphical method. VG is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into VDD. This we have got 1.82 volts. And what is VGS? VGS is VG minus ID into RS. VG is 1.82 minus ID into RS is 1.5. So what I can do is, I can substitute two values, one for VGS equals to 0. So when I substitute VGS equal to 0 in this, I will get ID as 1.213 milliampere. And once I will substitute for ID equals to 0, I will get VGS as 1.82 volts. That is, I am substituting both in this equation 1. So for these two coordinates, I am plotting the graph. You can see here, for 1.213 milliampere your VGS is 0. So this is one of the point. And for ID 0 you are having VGS 1.82. So when you are joining these two points via a straight line, wherever they intersect the transfer characteristics, that will give you the Q point. So this is your IDQ, and the corresponding value will be VGSQ. So it is -1.8 and 2.4 milliampere. So from this graph, what you got? You got IDQ as 2.4 milliampere and VGSQ as -1.8 volts. So from this you can find then VD, which is VDD minus ID into RD. This will give you 10.24 volts. This is the first point. Then VS, which is ID into RS, that will give you 3.6 volts. All values you know, just substitution. VDS is VDD minus ID into RD plus RS. All values are given. ID we have found out. This will give you 6.64 volts. And fourth, VDG, which is VD minus VG, which will give you 8.42 volts. Now VDG here we got 8.42. Mathematically, how much we had got? VDG we had got 8.382. Now we had got 8.42. So this minor difference you might get when you are doing graphically and mathematically. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes. For further concepts, keep on watching in 5 minute videos.